this is Ray, the flavor queen from Essie's Delights. I just wanted to take a little bit of time to introduce myself and just tell you a little bit about me. My name is Renita. I love to bake, but before baking, I am a wife, a devoted mother, an IT professional 9 to 5. So baking is really my passion. And at one time I did own a home bakery when I lived in Connecticut, but after relocating to North Carolina, it's gonna take time, to build up clientele and to find a space to rent out to bake. So until that time, I decided I still wanted to share all that I have inside of me, and that's why I decided to go ahead and create Ray the Flavor Queen YouTube channel, which is surprising to me because I'm really an introvert, but I feel so comfortable talking to you all and sharing and baking with you all. And I know it's lots of you out there. I can do this on video, but if you was to meet me in person, I'm gonna clam up and be the shyest person. So I thank you for subscribing and watching my videos, and I hope you enjoy. And also make some of these tasty Essie's Delights creations. We're gonna have cupcakes, cookies, popcorn, cheesecakes, all types of mascarpone frosting, because I love mascarpone and it's light and fluffy and not heavy like the buttercream, but I do buttercream also. So let's get ready to learn all about Essie's Delights and go on this journey with her, well, with me, Essie is my grandmother, baking. Okay, thank you again for subscribing and watching my videos. Feel free to leave a comment, share, and tell others to come and join the fun, because I will be hilarious when I do these, okay? Thank you.